Want to make money while you sleep? Imagine earning $1,000, $5,000, or even more every month without working 9 to 5. Sounds too good to be true? Stick around, and I'll show you 5 proven passive income ideas that are changing lives in 2024. Hey there! Welcome back to The Money Philosopher, where we explore smart ways to build wealth and live financially free. In today's video, we're diving into 5 incredible passive income ideas that anyone can start, yes, even you. Whether you're a student, a working professional, or just looking to make extra cash, these strategies are for you. First up, real estate investing. You might think, but I don't have thousands of dollars to buy property. No worries, there are creative ways to get started with no money. Here's how. Look into real estate crowdfunding platforms like Fundrise or REIT's real estate investment trusts. These allow you to invest in properties with as little as $10. If you want to be hands-on, consider house hacking, rent out part of your home, or find a partner to split costs. The key here is leveraging what you already have or starting small with shared investments. Next, let's talk about dividend income. Dividends are payments companies make to their shareholders, and with the right strategy, they can become a reliable income stream. Start by investing in dividend-paying stocks or ETFs. Look for companies with a long history of consistent payouts. These are often called dividend aristocrats. For example, if you invest $20,000 in a stock that pays a 5% annual dividend, that's $1,000 a year or about $83 a month. Reinvest your dividends to build your portfolio even faster. Now, let's move online. Did you know there are countless online businesses you can set up to earn passive income? Here are a few. Affiliate marketing: earn commissions by promoting products online. Blogging: write about topics you love and monetize with ads. YouTube: create videos like this one and earn from ads and sponsorships. Dropshipping: sell products without keeping inventory. Membership sites charge people for exclusive content. Pick one that excites you and start small. The internet has leveled the playing field. You don't need a lot of money, just effort and consistency. Passive income idea number 4, rental properties, specifically Airbnb. You don't have to own a property to start. Many people are using rental arbitrage, renting properties from landlords and listing them on Airbnb. The key is finding high-demand areas like tourist spots or business hubs. Offer great service, keep your space clean, and use Airbnb's analytics tools to optimize pricing. Done right, this can generate thousands in monthly income. And finally, digital products. This is one of my favorites because it's completely scalable. Create an ebook, an online course, or a printable planner. Platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing and Teachable make it easy to sell to a global audience. The best part, once it's created, it keeps earning for you, no extra work required. Start with something you're good at. For example, if you love photography, create a course on how to take stunning photos. So there you have it, 5 passive income ideas you can start today. Whether you choose real estate, dividends, online businesses, Airbnbs, or digital products, the key is to start. Take that first step, no matter how small. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for weekly tips on building wealth and achieving financial freedom. And let me know in the comments, which passive income idea are you excited to try? I'd love to hear your thoughts.